In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the colors on NinjaTrader. If you spend a lot of time analyzing charts, getting the visuals just right can make a huge difference in readability and focus. We'll walk through the built-in controls so you can fine-tune your chart's appearance without any guesswork. This is quick, straightforward, and completely customizable to your preferences. Start with the chart window you want to adjust. Move your mouse over the chart area itself, then right-click on your graph to open the context menu. This menu is specific to the chart you're viewing, so it's the fastest way to reach display settings that matter. From that menu, select Properties. The Properties window is your central hub for chart appearance and behavior, and it's where you'll find everything you need for color customization. Inside the Properties window, go to the Colors section. This is where you control how elements look on your chart. You'll see options for the chart background, the crosshair, and text, along with other visual items depending on your setup. The chart background sets the overall tone of your workspace. Many traders prefer a dark background with light text for reduced eye strain, while others choose a light background for print-friendly screenshots. Pick a background that creates strong contrast with your bars, candles, and indicators. The crosshair color should stand out across every area of your chart, including price bars, indicators, and the empty background. A bright neutral color often works best. Text typically includes axis labels, prices, indicator labels, and any on-chart annotations. Choose a text color that remains clearly readable against your background and grid. As you explore the Colors section, you may also see entries for grid lines, price markers, session breaks, or bar up and down colors. These can help you reduce clutter or highlight what matters most. For example, a subtle grid can guide your eye without competing with your price action, and distinct up and down colors make trends easier to spot at a glance. Make small adjustments and check visibility as you go. Most changes will preview right away on the chart behind the Properties window, which makes it easy to dial in your look without leaving this screen. That's all there is to it. Right-click your chart, select Properties, head to the Colors section, and adjust the chart background, crosshair, text, and any other elements you want to refine. With a few thoughtful tweaks, your NinjaTrader charts will be clearer, more comfortable, and perfectly suited to how you trade.